I don't know what your problem is. Looks brand new to me. My project today consists of my brother's Honda 4Trax 125. It's been having a bogging out and not running issue, and it won't start at all now. It is currently completely out of gas, so that's probably why it doesn't run at all. But before it ran out of gas, it would run for probably 10 minutes or so, and then it would slowly bog out and die. I think the kinked fuel line has something to do with it, and the carburetor is absolutely nasty. And since we already have a rebuild kit for that, I figured this would be a good time to go ahead and put that in while I'm already in there cleaning stuff out. Got the air box off, and sure enough, it's pretty dirty in there. So everything's working like it should, but man, there's some gunk in there. The air box got some dirt, daubers, and rocks and stuff that fell out. It's not too bad, but not ideal. Well, I guess see what it looks like once we have it all apart. Well, got the carburetor off, and sure enough, we have a little bit of sand in the bottom of that. And the rest of this is pretty nasty too. The inside isn't too bad, but might as well put new rubber pieces in it while I'm in here. Well, it's working good. Just sitting here putting away, not dying.